Since 2016, a research group at the Cham Island Marine Protected Area has been carrying out a project on the restoration and conservation of sea turtles on the island. The team transfers turtle eggs from Gondao National Park to Cham Island for hatching. Then the turtles are released on Cham Island beaches. On a journey of nearly 1,000 kilometers, these turtles are given special protection by the team. The project has achieved initial success.
It has been proven through our research that eggs transported through thousands of kilometers can actually hatch. We are also conducting studies to ensure that Cham Island can be a living environment for sea turtles.
After 3 years of implementing the project, 2,000 transfer eggs have hatched successfully. More than 1,500 turtles have been hatched and released into the environment. Fishermen on Cham Island have also taken part in protecting the sea turtles. If they survive, 20 years from now, these turtles will return to Cham Island beach to lay their first eggs.